All right, the big announcement that came in this evening, the Modi government has gone ahead with one of the decisions which could have large-scale ramifications, and that too just weeks before the Lok Sabha elections. The Citizenship Amendment Act, or the CAA, has officially been notified by the Union Home Ministry just a little over 3 years after it was passed by the Parliament. A web portal has been created by the Home Ministry where those who seek citizenship can apply online. Now, to remind you, the Citizenship Amendment Act grants citizenship to migrants of 6 communities who faced persecution in Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. These 6 communities which will be granted citizenship are Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Jains, Buddhists and Parsis. Now, all those refugees who migrated to India before the 31st of December 2014 will be granted citizenship. The centre says the CAA provides dignified life to those who face religious persecution and provides them their due rights. The CAA implementation this close to the polls, remember, has drawn the BJP flack from the opposition parties. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has called CAA a poll move by the BJP, questioning why was it not notified earlier.
কোনো মানুষকে বঞ্চিত হতে আমরা দেব না, এনআরসি করতে দেব না। এনআরসি কেন কাউকে বিতাড়িত করার চেষ্টা করা হলে, মানুষের কোনো অধিকার কেড়ে নেওয়া হলে, যারা এতদিন ধরে যে অধিকারগুলো পাচ্ছে, তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস কিন্তু মুখ বুজে থাকবে না, প্রতিবাদ করবে, এটাই বলবো।
Well, as the government has already clarified that this Citizen Amendmentship Act that has been passed in the Parliament and the rules have been notified today, they have nothing to do with any religion or having taken any rights of the minorities in the country. In fact, they said that no one is taking away the citizenship of Muslims here. We need to clarify, and in fact, government has come on record, and in fact, if you remember, Mr. Amit Shah had came on record saying that no law or no rule in this particular act says that we will take citizenship of minorities. It is about giving citizenship to those who have been persecuted on religion, on the basis of religion in our neighboring countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. So the rules that have been notified says that the 3 countries wherever there had been people persecuted on the basis of religion, and these are 6 and numbers being Jain, Buddhist, Hindu, Christian, Parsi. They can come, they can seek the citizenship in India, and the cutoff date was December 31st, 2014. But the government is also ready to relax rules if they think that there are some cases befitting the eligibility and the criteria of giving out the citizenship. Now, what does this citizenship does? It gives the benefit and the respect of being a citizen of a country to all those who have been in this country for many years, but they could not get the citizenship because their papers expired. They keep on waiting, and the governments were not ready to give them any benefit of being a legal migrant. They were not illegal is what government had always maintained, and now no one can threaten them for any political reason. They will have the citizenship of being the country, and also constitution also gives them right to be the citizen, and all the rights that have been attributed to other citizens, they will be given to these people as well.